There is nothing wrong with this black orchid, and this video is only intended for the stupid people who don't know how to grow orchids, or stupid people who don't have a sense of humor and take themselves too serious. But use your own caution. Proceed at your own risk.
And older with at least one.
I can never say enough good things about Fred Clarke at Sunset Valley Orchid.
All right, so you guys want to introduce yourselves here at Sunset Valley Orchid?
Yeah, hi, I'm Fred Clarke, and this is...
My name is Carlos Lopez.
All right. Yeah, and Fred was so gracious to invite me to come down today, so I've been touring around and looking at all the beautiful plants, and I thought I would do a quick little interview with Fred and Carlos, and so you guys can get to know them. They're cool people. What got you into Catasitum? I'm here.
I ordered some orchids from him in June, and they shipped in July after the 4th of July holiday. And then I noticed about a week after I got them that they were, a few of them, like 3 or 4 were turning black. And so I went on vacation. I just kept watching them. I went on vacation, and when I came back from vacation, 3 of them were clearly dead. And so I didn't know, it's about a month has gone by at this point. We didn't know if they were still under, shipping warranty. And so I wrote Fred last week. And he immediately just said that he'd send me replacements. So, if you were seeing my previous video from today, I had a Mark Jones crossbow that's also suffering a little bit of black rot.
On a tree, and I was just captivated.
It didn't look quite so bad last week, and I forgot to catalog a bunch of my orchids from my February order, so I actually have 4 of those. Only one of them looks kind of sick. I can't actually find the other 3 in this. I found 2, so there's one somewhere in the greenery. I don't know where it is, but I did not ask for that one to be replaced. I asked for just 3 to be replaced. They were in the front of the video, and they were just clearly like all dead. The rot was definitely the suitable. But anyway, so I wrote last week and this today.
Don't do this.